Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Part 1. The Bears. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears. There was Daddy Bear, he was the biggest. There was Mummy Bear, she was medium-sized. And then there was Baby Bear, the smallest in the family. Let's start by drawing Mummy Bear's muzzle. It looks like a small standing up rectangle, and near the bottom there's a square, which is her nose. Find a space in the middle of your page. Draw a short line across the top, a long line down the side, a short line across the bottom, and back up to where you started. Right at the bottom of the muzzle, you can draw a little line for the mouth, and just above it, a small square. 4 sides that are all the same length. Just to the side of each top corner of that muzzle, you can do a small circle or a big dot to show Mummy Bear's eyes. Now come down to the bottom of the muzzle, and just a little way up from the bottom corner, we're going to start the circle for her head. So draw one line that goes all the way round, up and over her eyes, and finish at the same place on the other side. She has 2 ears. We're going to use semicircles for these. Draw them on the side near the top of her head. We're going to use big standing up ovals for the bears' bodies. So find the place halfway between the muzzle and the ear on the side of their heads. Draw straight down, sloping out slightly so the bottom of the body is wider than the top. Curve under the bear's belly and back up to the same place on the other side of the head. Bears have big furry necks. We're going to use a V to show this. So go back to where you started the body, come down slightly, then draw down to a point that stops just below the middle of the muzzle, and then straight back up to the same place on the other side. You can give your bear 2 short legs. So starting near the edge of the belly, draw down across the bottom and back up. Same on the other side, down across the bottom and back up. And then 2 lying down ovals for feet. Then you can add a few little lines on the end to show the bear's claws. Mummy Bear has got her arms just hanging by the side of her body. They start just below the neckline. Draw out, curve under and stop by the side of her body. They look a bit like long teardrop shapes. You can add a few lines for her hand claws as well. I think I'm going to do 3 on each side. Daddy Bear and Baby Bear are almost exactly the same as Mummy, but Daddy will be bigger and Baby will be smaller. Let's start with Daddy. So find a space to the left-hand side of Mummy and draw another muzzle, but make sure you draw it a little bit higher to make Daddy taller. So draw across the top, down the side, along the bottom and back up. Add a mouth, add a nose, dots for eyes, and a circle for the head. 2 semicircles for the ears. A big standing up oval for the body. A V shape for the neck. 2 legs and 2 feet. And try and make sure that they end up on the same ground line as the mummy. Then we can draw Dad's arms. His are positioned differently from Mum's. Can you see how he's got his hands on his hips? So starting again just below the collar line, draw out to a point and back in, further down his body. Then you can do a little triangle right in the middle of that to show the inside of his arm. You can do the same on the other side. Now for Baby Bear. So on the right hand side of Mummy, you need to come a lot lower down and make a much smaller standing up rectangle for his muzzle. So draw across the top, down the side, along the bottom and back up. A little line for the mouth, a square for the nose, 2 dots for the eyes. Then you can draw a circle for the head, 1 line that goes all the way around, 2 semicircles for ears, then starting halfway up the cheek, draw straight down and under Baby Bear's belly, back up the other side. Draw a V for his collar, 2 legs, 2 feet, down to the same level as Mum and Dad's. And then Baby Bear's arms are a little bit different again. The arm on this side is hanging by his side just like Mummy's. So you can draw that teardrop shape again. And the other arm is reaching out and holding his Mummy's hand. So draw the top line of his arm from the collar out to the side of Mummy's hand. And the bottom line can go from the end of Mummy's hand up to the baby's armpit. I'm going to colour my bears in with some different tones of brown. You could do the same thing. But before you do that, let's get back to the story. The bears had just woken up and they were hungry. Daddy Bear said, "I'll cook some porridge for breakfast." Baby Bear said, "I'll set the table with bowls and spoons." And Mummy Bear said, "I'll make the beds." So they set to work. I wonder what will happen in part 2.